Okay, I got these cheap fans. They're Cooler Master fans. They're high quality fans, but they're pretty cheap, and there's no sleeving on them. You can see how much better that looks with the sleeving. And what we're going to do is we're going to show a little tutorial of how you can sleeve these cables yourself and make them look so much better in your case. What you need for this is you need some sleeving material, which I have right here. Sleeving material. You need some Heatshrink. You need just a cheap pair of scissors. You'll need a hair dryer, and you'll need a hot glue gun. Okay. Alright, step number one. What we want to do is take this cable, and what I always do is I twist the cable. So I just start twisting it up. Okay? Just like so. Just twist it up, that way all the cables stay together. Okay. Just keep twisting. Keep twisting. And you can go this way. Twist it up nice and tight. There you go. See how nice and tight that's all twisted? We'll untwist a little bit when you let it go, but that's fine. Okay, step number two. Now, what you should do is to take this connector off, and it'd be a lot easier that way. But yeah, you don't have to. I've come up with a way to get around that. What I do is I just fold it over so these little tabs are in towards the cable like so. I'll make a nice tight neat bend right there. Okay, and I take the sleeving. Okay. Sometimes this goes easier than others. We'll see how it goes here. Just slip it in there. Okay, and it'll slide right in. It'll fray a little bit there, but that's fine. You just start pushing. Push. Push. Let it bunch up there. Push it so it bunches up there, and then you can just let it go and it'll slide right up the cable just like so. Push. 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 Till it gets almost to the end of the fan right there, actually right up to it. And we're going to go out here a little ways past the cable. Just like so. A little bit past. Okay, now we're going to push, 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 push. There. Whoop. There's your cable. Just like so. Okay. Now what you want to do is you're going to take your cheapo scissors here, small pair of scissors, and we're going to get all this frayed part off. do the same thing on this side, although this side shouldn't be as frayed as bad, but I'll get it. There we go. Okay. Not going to be perfect, but that's what the heat shrink's for. It's going to cover that up. The cable's a little too long yet, so I'm going to cut a little more off. Or the sleeving's a little too long. Alright, you're going to pull this back a little bit. And then we're going to take the heat shrink, or the hot glue gun. And we're going to take and put a little dab on the cable. Okay? And we're going to push this back up over the hot glue, just like so. I'm going to take this and we're going to squeeze it. And it's going to look a little messy. But that's what the heat shrink's for. It covers all that up. Alright, we're going to take the other side. Let's stretch this a little bit. Okay. And we're going to pull this back a little bit. And we're going to put some hot glue. Okay. Pull this back over. Stretch it a little bit. And squeeze it. Alright. Okay. Next up, we're going to take our heat shrink, just like so. We're going to cut off 2 pieces, about yay long. Maybe a little over, about 2/3 of an inch or so. Try to cut as straight as you can. Try to make them even. Okay. Like so. And when you put these over the cable, they just barely fit over the connector. You put the tabs in first, just like so. Slide it over, and you just push them on. They just barely fit. Slide it all the way down. Okay. All the way down to the end. Then you take your hair dryer, heat that up. Okay, that looks good. Looks good. Do the same thing on the other side. Tabs in first. And you just slide it in. And push this all the way to the edge, just like that. All the way to the edge of the cable. Take the hairdryer, shrink it. looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Let's compare it to this. Those cables going all over, looking all ghetto in your rig. This looks much sleeker. Look how sharp that looks. That'll look good.